Good morning, distinguished judges here today. Have you ever wondered what the world will look like when you're 30? Job hasn't even been invented yet. My name is Pimpilai Sarakham, a grade 12 student from Chumran Science School. Today, I'm very honored to share my thoughts on the official topic, the future of work in a digital world, automation, innovation, and new careers. Today, technology is changing every single day. Automation, artificial intelligence or AI, and digital innovation are completely transforming the way we live and work. Jobs today are already very different from the past, and they will change even more. It's true that the repetitive jobs will be replaced by machines. For instance, factories now use robots to improve product faster. Some supermarkets use self-checkout machine instead of cashier, and in the offices, AI help organize data and write basic reports. However, we should not worry. While some jobs deserve pay, innovation creates beautiful new opportunities. A new world of careers is being born, such as mobile app developers, digital marketers, cybersecurity specialists, and online content creators. 10 years ago, many of their careers did not even exist. Actually, AI is a tool that helps us work more efficiently. Doctors use AI to detect diseases faster to save lives. Farmers use smart technology to take care of crops, and students can study online from anywhere. Look at Google. Examples like Tesla, which uses automation in manufacturing, which develops tools to help access, translate, and communicate across the world. Yet, this rapid change creates challenges. Some people may lose their job if they cannot adapt. Therefore, learning new skills is essential for our survival. In this digital world, technical skills are necessary, but human skills are irreplaceable. Skills like from communication, unique creativity, teamwork, and problem solving are things that I cannot replicate. So, the future of work is not something to fear. It's a wonderful opportunity to grow and improve our society. If we keep our hearts open to learning, improve our digital skills, and learn how to adapt with a positive attitude, we will all be able to succeed and shine in this digital world. Thank you for your attention.